A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a historic turn of events, Donald Trump has reclaimed the presidency, becoming the first U.S. president to serve 2 non-consecutive terms since Grover Cleveland. His return to the White House has sent shockwaves through the financial markets, leading to a significant rally in the dollar and record highs for various stock indices. This reaction is not merely a reflection of relief after a protracted election process, but rather an enthusiastic embrace of Trump's policy promises that focus on low taxes, high tariffs, and deregulation. Following the announcement of Trump's victory, the U.S. equity markets responded with vigor. The benchmark S&P 500 surged by 2.51%, reaching an all-time high, while other indices like the Dow Jones and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite also recorded substantial gains. Small-cap stocks, particularly those in the Russell 2000 index, experienced a near 6% increase, suggesting that investors are optimistic about economic growth under a Trump administration. The dollar, too, soared to its highest level in over 4 months, reflecting increased confidence in the U.S. economy's trajectory. Currency trading activity was intense, with the offshore Chinese renminbi and the Mexican peso seeing unprecedented trading volumes. The Mexican peso notably slumped to its lowest level in over 2 years, as traders reacted to Trump's proposed tariffs that could impact trade relations significantly. In the wake of these developments, Treasury yields rose sharply, with the 10-year Treasury yield climbing as high as 4.48%. Analysts predict that Trump's commitment to increased government spending and potential tax cuts will lead to larger deficits, which in turn could push up long-term interest rates. David Kelly, chief global strategist at J.P. Morgan Asset Management, stated, "If he's able to fully implement his agenda, it means bigger deficits, bigger tax cuts, and also, because of tariffs, higher inflation." The cryptocurrency market also reacted positively, with Bitcoin hitting record highs as traders anticipated a more favorable regulatory environment for digital currencies under the Trump administration. The BlackRock Investment Institute noted that Trump's victory could signal a rollback of banking regulations, further boosting investor sentiment in this sector. Retail trading platforms experienced a surge in activity, with Robinhood Markets reporting its largest overnight trading session since introducing that option in May 2023. Investors flocked to securities believed to benefit from Trump's policies, including stocks in companies owned by Trump and his prominent supporter, Elon Musk. As the markets digest the implications of Trump's policies, attention is now shifting towards the Federal Reserve's upcoming monetary policy decisions. Economists at Nomura have indicated that the Fed may adopt a slower approach to interest rate cuts in light of Trump's plans, suggesting that inflationary pressures from tariffs could keep rates elevated longer than previously expected. With the Republican Party securing control of the U.S. Senate, Trump's agenda is poised for a smoother path towards implementation. The results of the House of Representatives elections remain pending, but a Republican majority would further solidify Trump's legislative power. In his first speech after the election, Trump described his victory as a powerful and unprecedented mandate, emphasizing his commitment to advancing policies that prioritize economic growth through deregulation and tax reforms. His administration's stance on international trade is expected to have far-reaching implications, not just for the U.S. economy, but for global markets as well. As the world watches closely, the unfolding dynamics of Trump's second presidency will undoubtedly shape the economic landscape in the coming years. Investors are bracing for a new era of policies that could redefine trade relationships, fiscal strategies, and regulatory frameworks. The optimism reflected in the markets today may very well set the tone for the economic discourse in the months and years to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.